In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DocuSign to Google Drive. This integration can streamline your workflow by allowing you to easily access documents stored in your Google Drive directly from DocuSign. So let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon and a menu will appear. From that menu, you'll need to select My Preferences. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your DocuSign account. On this settings page, you'll notice a navigation panel on the left side. You'll want to scroll down this panel until you find the Signing and Sending section. It's here that you'll have access to a range of options designed to enhance your signing experience. Within this section, there's a subsection right at the bottom called Document Sources. Clicking on the Document Sources section will bring up a list of potential cloud storage services that you can connect to your DocuSign account. This is a handy feature that lets you pull in documents from various storage locations without hassle. Now, from the list of storages, look for Google Drive. You'll see a Connect button next to it. Click on that button to initiate the connection process. After clicking Connect, you'll be prompted to log in to your Google account. This is a standard security procedure to ensure that you're authorized to link the two services. So go ahead, enter your Google email and password, and follow any additional security prompts if necessary. Once you've successfully logged in, your Google Drive will be connected to your DocuSign account. And there you have it. You've now successfully connected DocuSign to Google Drive. Going forward, when you're in DocuSign and need to import a document, you'll have the convenient option to pull it directly from your Google Drive folder. This connection can save you time and integrate smoothly into your existing workflow, allowing for more streamlined document management. Remember, this process is designed to be straightforward. But if you encounter any issues, double-check your login credentials or reach out to support for further assistance. I hope this guide has been easy to follow and that you can now make the most out of this integration to enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy signing.